Hello my friends, today I want to show you how we can calculate the slope of a line from its graph and explain everything about slope of a line. We have to know a steepness of a line. For example, we have this line. Knowing the steepness of a line, we have to calculate a number which is called the slope of a line. Mostly we give the M symbol for the slope. Okay, slope equal to the ratio of rise over the run. Delta x is a run, delta y is a rise. You can say in another way, change in y coordinate to the change in x coordinate. In case of pointers, you can find the slope by putting y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Also, we can call it delta y over delta x. Let's solve an example. For example, we have pointers, point 1 and point 2. We have 2 pointers, p1, which its coordinates is x1, which is minus 2, y1, which is 0, and coordinates for point 2, x2 equal to 1, y2 equal to 3. Let's find the slope. Slope delta y over delta x. The slope equal to the ratio of change in y direction over x direction. And just substitute the pointers to this formula. y2 equal to 3 minus y1 which equal to 0. 3 minus 1. And x2 equal to 1 minus x1 which is minus 2. Minus 2, it will be positive. So 3 minus 0 over 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Also, we have to know that the slope of a line don't depend on the choice of the pointers. If you choose any point, you have to get the same result. Let's check it. For example, for a previous line, we choose another 2 pointers, P3 and P4. Let us find slope again. Okay. y4 which equal to 4 and y3 which equal to minus 2. For minus 2, it will be positive over x4 which is 2 minus x1 which is minus 4, it will be positive sign. So 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4 equal to 6 over 6 equal to 1. We got the same result. Also, the sign of slopes has a significant. We have all the types of slopes. For line edge, as we see, the line goes upward, moves upward. So y2 greater than y1 and x2 greater than x1, m will be positive because m will greater than 0, so it will be positive. It means the line moves upward to the right. Regarding line I, as we see, y2 smaller than y1, but x2 greater than x1. The slope will be negative since y2 minus y1 smaller than 0, so it moves downward. Regarding horizontal line J, as we see, y2 equal to y1, so y2 minus y1 equal to 0, but x2 minus x1 not equal to 0, so the slope of a line will be 0 over x2 minus x1, which gives a 0. Horizontal lines always have a 0 slope. Regarding vertical lines, let us verify mathematically which slope is infinite. As we see, y2 minus y1 greater than 0, that's y2, that's y1, but x2 minus x1 is 0. So y2 minus y1, which is greater than 0 over 0, it's undefined expression in mathematics. Sometimes we call it slope is infinite. That's all about the slopes of a line. I hope it can be helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice time.